I'm Funker fan Brett, and I'm going to be talking to you about my Grizzly Arms 8.5-inch barrel pump action shotgun. It has an AR stock adapter with an A2 fixed buttstock. The optic is a EOTech 552 holographic red dot. It's just a really fun gun for blanking. Non-restricted, but just barely. It just meets the requirements. It's 29 inches overall, so 26 is required for non-restricted status. So it's a fun gun to just take out in the bush and blast away with. I'm Funker fan Brett, and that's my shotgun.